I have not vlogged in a very long time, and of course I'm starting my vlog looking like this, no makeup, but welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I have been just, a busy girl. I started a full-time job, we bought a house, I've been traveling to Michigan for my sister's bridal events. It's been a busy summer. I don't know how it's already mid-July. But I thought I'd pick up the camera because my mom's coming to town this weekend. We're going to be doing a lot of house things, and I feel like that would be good to vlog because it's like a big step. But I just got to the house, and I'll give you guys like an empty house tour. There's nothing inside. We still have so many things to do. Like today, I'm just going to go in and clean the dishwasher, and then I have to go to work. Like I'm trying to do something every single morning just so it doesn't feel as overwhelming. Our like goal move-in date is going to be like August 9th, but we'll see because there's people here. We have a deck being built. We've got a cleaner coming, painters, like there's so many things, but we closed a week ago. So we're definitely have good progress. But I will show you guys an empty house tour because then you'll be able to see it like when it's done, hopefully in like 2 months. But I'm just so excited to move in. And I'm so excited to just start this chapter, but I know it happens in baby steps, but let's do an empty house tour. This is the front door. Right when you walk in, you see the stairs. And then this is our living room, which don't mind that. I had that cleaned and it still is a little stained. So this is our living room. And then you go this way. We have a full bathroom downstairs, which needs a little bit of love, but it's not bad. And then we've got a laundry room that's connected to the garage, which I'm obsessed with. I really wanted a laundry room. Walk this way to the kitchen. We have a big pantry right there. The kitchen is so open, it's so adorable. And it opens up into the dining room, which don't mind the light fixture, that's changing, but love the dining room. And now we'll go upstairs. Here is bedroom number 1. We painted it. We've painted like all the bedrooms. We've got another bathroom. And here is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Master. This one's in the process of being painted. This like entry room, so don't mind that. And now the master, which we painted gray, which I love this color. We have 2 closets and then the master bath. Which massive shower, bathtub. This still needs to be painted. This is the last room that we're painting. But yeah, that is the whole house. Good morning, everybody. I failed at vlogging yesterday. I did end up getting Dunkin'. I think that was the last thing I filmed. But I just wasn't in the mood, which I should have been because me and Ryan went to Sephora and we went to dinner, but we had to go to a wake or a visitation. I don't really know. Ryan kept saying wake, and I think I originally said visitation, so that kind of like wasn't the best, obviously. And then we went to the house after dinner and just like worked on a lot of stuff because we are just trying to hustle through everything, which I'm heading there now, actually. It's like 7 a.m. I work from home today, so I'm gonna go there for like 2 hours and try and, I'm literally already getting work emails, try and bump out the bathroom. And then I have our cleaning lady that I'm hiring to clean the house right before we move in come today and give me a quote, and that's at 8:30. But yes, lots of just house updates. This is gonna be like a big house vlog, which I think is really fun. I'll give you a little Sephora haul because I failed and did not do that yesterday. So I am going back to my roots because my skin has not been skinning, and I just got microneedling, and I feel like if I'm paying this for microneedling, I really want to see the results. So I was using Face Reality for a while. Didn't love it. My skin just was breaking out consistently. It was not better, and I feel like I'm already waking up today and my skin looks so much better. Maybe there's chemicals in here that make my skin better, I don't know, but I got the Pineapple Refresh Cleanser and the Barrier Butter. This is literally all I use. And then I'm also always going to use an SPF, which I will put on right now, just because you always need an SPF. This I really like. The Face Reality SPF is my favorite product from the line, and I tried like everything. I still have literally a full moisture balance toner, so I'm probably still going to just use that. I'm not going to use the mandelic acid. I'm almost done with it, and I'm just, my skin didn't love it, so why would I keep using it? And then I got a hydrofacial back in June, and she gave me this, the Hydra Remedy Gel Serum. This I might still use because I know it's like really good for you. I think it's just like hyaluronic acid. So I could probably use that before moisturizer, but we definitely need to put on our sunscreen, especially after getting microneedling, because I have so many like little incisions, not incisions, little like injuries they call them in my face, like a bunch of little pokes. But it's been 3 days, and you guys, I feel like my skin is looking really good. Okay, let's go to the house. I do have to go to Home Depot first and pick up wood and nails for Ryan, but he's obviously at work today. And then my mom lands at 2, so gonna be a fun day. Hopefully I am consistent with vlogging. But yeah, let's go to Home Depot. Let's actually make a protein coffee first. I'll show you my protein coffee recipe because it's so good. Here's a better skin update in the light. I have like those lines I'm trying to fix, but truthfully I think it's getting better. She said it's gonna be like 2 weeks until it gets better, and then I go in for another session in a month, and then another month. So there's 3 sessions. After that, you just do it like once a year. My protein coffee, I showed you how I make it. It looks a little chunky, but it really is not. Like, you can't taste the chalk of the protein at all, and that has a big thing with the protein powder, because I have used proteins in the past for my coffee. This protein powder is the best one I've ever used in coffee, and I did find the recipe on TikTok. Some girl did it, but it's so good. It's like a cinnamon toast crunch latte. We are gonna go to Home Depot. I definitely need to get gas because I have to get my mom later, but I think I'm gonna take the Denali to get my mom because we're gonna probably need 2 cars this weekend, just because she's gonna be like bopping around while I'm at work on Monday. So I'm still gonna get gas, but let's go to Home Depot. Okay, went to Home Depot. I got my wood, got Ryan's wood, and I just made it to the house. So let's go inside, and I need to start painting the master bathroom. That's my plan for this morning. And then the cleaner is gonna be here in like 30 minutes. I feel like a terrible vlogger because I haven't vlogged at all, and look at how crazy I look. Anyways, I'm heading to Pilates, and then we're gonna go pick up my mom from the airport. I am officially the worst vlogger in the world. It's been 2 weeks since I last picked up the camera. I don't even remember where I left off, but I think you could tell by my demeanor in the last couple clips that I was just in a bit of a funk for the past couple weeks, and I'm feeling really good this week. So I'm like, all right, let's pick up the camera, let's vlog, let's try and get a vlog out because I haven't posted in forever, and that's what I'm here today to do. And hopefully I vlog all day. But I don't even have that exciting of a day. I have work today, and I went to Pilates this morning, which I didn't film. But I just got ready for work, so let me show you my outfit. It's actually like very cute, but like comfy. I don't know, I feel like you guys would like it. So I do Nuuly every month. And these not pajama jeans, like sweatpant jeans I got this month. And they are the softest, comfiest thing in the world. I don't know why it took me so long to discover these. I feel like I'm gonna buy them because they're so comfy. And then I just have this little Beyond Yoga white tank on that doesn't really hold the boobs in. As I was saying, sorry, Judy got home and the dogs went crazy. But I have this little like Beyond Yoga white tank that doesn't really hold the boobs in very well, so I have to like cover up here or else it's just like sag central. So Beyond Yoga tank, I think these are the A brand or A something brand, I don't know, but they're so comfy. I know Rag & Bone also makes a sweatpant jean. I'll try and link them. And then this sweater is Amazon, which I love because it's like summer, it's hot, but you still want a sweater. And also my office is literally freezing. So where are my rings? I always take my rings off when I shower, and I totally left them upstairs. I'm so ADHD. Anyways, let's make a protein coffee, put my rings on, and we are gonna head to the office. I already have cold brew, protein powder, and almond milk in here, and now I just like mix it up with a fork. Okay, coffee done. It's a little chunky today. I definitely need to mix it up a little bit more, but I need to make a quick lunch to bring to the office because the protein coffee has been like my breakfast, and then I get starving at like 11. So let's make like a turkey wrap or something that I have in the fridge. Morning, you guys. It's a couple weeks later. I really don't remember the last time I vlogged, but I know I was all over the place when I picked up the vlog camera. But it's Monday morning. We are officially moved into our house. We moved in this weekend, so I'll give you guys an updated house tour. And I just thought I'd pick up the camera and just start vlogging my week. So here is an update in the kitchen. Everything's white. I honestly don't remember if the cabinets were still wood when I vlogged last. We have everything set up. We are getting a new dishwasher. That's coming today. Everything down here, the cute Mackenzie Childs rug, and then we pan over to the dining room. We hung a mirror, got new light fixtures. This rug I'm indifferent about. It's a little too small, but I'm playing around with the furniture. I don't know if that's gonna be like a little bar situation. I don't know. This I love. This is, I think, finished. We have like a big mirror and then a welcome table when you walk in the front door, which I think is adorable. And then we've got the living room. Not much has changed here. I added a couple things over there. Cute. And then when we go upstairs, I added this big mirror, which I love, just sitting on the floor so you can take little mirror selfies. To Ryan's like little man cave room. I hung my Porsche that I painted. My mom sent me this from Michigan, which I think is so cool. The bed is not bad, but not the best. This is like the guest bathroom, which I am doing something I never thought I would do, like kind of like a tiger fun purple vibe. So that's kind of interesting for me. Guest room, it's just gonna be super beachy. This is my old bedding from college, which is literally so like sad, but also exciting. When I bought that, I never thought it would be in a future home. This is my office. I don't want to talk about it because it's scary in here. Like, this is all I have, and the desk is basically broken, but my computer's in there. So we have my little like get ready room slash just like entry room to the master. I added this art piece and this stool. Need like pillows and whatnot. And then the master, added this carpet. This is from Wayfair. I'm gonna try and link a lot of things below. But carpets from Wayfair, I'm getting new bedding. That's our bedding from our old bed. We're getting new nightstands and new lamps. But yeah, this dresser is amazing. This dresser is from Wayfair. It's huge. And then bathroom, not much has changed. I'm getting new towel hooks because I added this piece, which I love. But it's covering the towel hooks. So yeah. Cute, fun. I also got new light fixtures in here. I don't know if I showed you guys those either. But it's a Monday. It's our first weekday in the house. We moved in, I guess, on Friday, but still. I have work today, so we're gonna head to the office shortly. I have a few meetings that are pretty important, so I won't be here, I don't think, when the dishwasher gets delivered because it's between 12 and 4, which just is not what I can do. So when we're home, I bet the dishwasher will be here. And I'll show you guys like what I make for dinner and what I do after work. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I just got ready for work. I don't know what my outfit is today. I'm just wearing like black linen pants and this little sweater top. I don't have any answers. I just made my coffee in this little Christmas cup. I want to get some fall Anthropologie cups because this is like the perfect size for a nice latte. And I put some vanilla cold foam on it and it is literally so good. I have work in about like 2 hours. So I think I'm gonna chill, fold some laundry, unload the dishwasher, make Ryan's lunches for the next 2 days, and then chill and watch like a YouTube video. So let's get all that done. Luckily, I meal prepped everything for his lunch, so this should be really easy. I made a big thing of pasta salad, and then he does a side of fruit. I have not known, I feel like I look like a hippie today. Like this outfit is not cute, but I have not known what to fill my little Mackenzie Childs cookie jar with because I obviously don't have cookies. And I always remember my mom used to always have candy in here, which like I loved. But I got these from Costco. So I think I'm gonna fill it with Oreos. I just don't know if it's gonna look that like aesthetically pleasing. Okay. I am gonna have breakfast granola. Let's do a taste test because I've never had this granola flavor. And these little yogurts are so good. They're 15 grams of protein, and I think only 80 calories. I don't know, it doesn't say, maybe it's more, but they're so good. I just got home from work, and I put my comfies on because it's 5 p.m. and I just wanted to be comfy. I think I'm gonna make a little drink because I have a little bit of rosé left, and it's gonna go bad. I think I'm gonna do a little like grapefruit spritz. Rosé and sparkling water. We're gonna do rosé first. And a little bit of grapefruit, sparkling water. Tonight I'm making a honey sesame garlic chicken bowl. So I'm gonna prep for that, and then I'm gonna go sit on the couch and watch my show until Ryan gets home. I just lit this Trader Joe's candle. My mom got me this like 12, I have it right here, candle of the month. So there's literally like a candle for every month, and this is August. It smells good. It's called Campfire. Also light my volcano candle in the living room. It just makes it so much cozier. Now I think I'm gonna watch an episode of My Life with the Walter Boys. Or sorry, My Life with the Walter Brothers. That even sounds wrong, but there's a new season of it. I feel like there's so much good TV coming out. I need to catch up on everything before like all the reality TV comes out in September.
Instead you're being weird.
Hello vlog, it's a new day, but I'm gonna end this vlog off here because I feel like this vlog is seriously all over the place. Like I don't know what to expect when I start editing this, but I'm gonna pick up a new vlog. So if you want to see more house updates or just more of me, go watch the new vlog once I post it. But thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next vlog.